Hi guys, welcome to the channel. For those of you who have been seeing me for the first time, my name is Udita, and today I thought that I should share with you some of the products that I use especially during this quarantine time, and those products are like savior to me because everybody is bored during this quarantine time. We don't have anything to do. So this is the perfect time when you can take care of your skin, you can take care of your face, and you can learn lots of things. Without wasting any further time, let's just jump into the video. The number one thing that I have with me, without this product nothing can be started, especially when it comes to face. You should not touch your face without using this sanitizer. Not this sanitizer, any sanitizer, but this is my personal favorite sanitizer because it is very gentle on your hands and it doesn't make your hands very harsh, very dry. So this is the sanitizer from Himalaya Pure Hands Lychee Hand Sanitizer. And trust me, this bottle, this small bottle, it was very difficult for me to get my hands on this bottle at the time when this whole lockdown thing started. So this, I know all the efforts that I have took to purchase this Himalaya hand sanitizer. It retails for 80 rupees, and nobody should touch their face, or I should say that we all should include this thing in our skincare, in our makeup. Nice, it smells absolutely like lychee. I feel like I'm sitting around lychees. There's lychees all around. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. So the second thing that I have with me, these are my favorite things. And you know what, my husband, he doesn't like these two products. He always used to say me that please don't use these products, but I can't help it because I love these products. Number one product is this Dabur Kevra water. I have been seeing on Google. I have been searching all around the uses of this Kevra water. I saw this Kevra water on one of the website. Is it for face or is it just a flavoring agent? But when I searched each and everything on Google, I just came across certain things. The first thing that I found about this Kevra water is that it can be used on the skin. It gives a boost, it gives a glow to your face, and I use it as a toner. What I have done is I have taken this bottle, this mist bottle, and this was empty bottle. And what I did was I took this mist bottle and I have filled this bottle half with Kevra water, not half, more than half with this Kevra water, and the remaining half with water, and spray this Kevra water all over my face. And it gives a glow to your face, and it also makes your skin healthy. So I would recommend that you should at least give it a try. It is not expensive as well. It retails for 60 rupees only, and it is 250 ml bottle. The quantity is such that it can be used at least 6 to 7 times if you use this kind of small pump bottle. Moving ahead to the next item. Now this is the product that really irritates my husband because he doesn't like the fragrance of this lavender oil. This lavender oil is from Khadi Organic, and I don't know why, but I really like the fragrance of this lavender oil. What I have done with this lavender oil is I have taken this pump bottle, and I have this was empty bottle, and I have filled this bottle with water and added about 4 to 5 droplets of this lavender oil, and it does wonders. I like the fragrance of this one, and normally I use this as a room freshener, as a face mist, as body mist. Actually, I don't really use it as face mist, but I prefer using it as body mist. It gives a long lasting fragrance on your body. What happened was I really wanted to purchase this lavender oil from Nykaa. At that time there was complete lockdown in Delhi, and I couldn't get my hands on Nykaa lavender oil, but I found this one. I found this oil and this Khadi organic oil, but I pretty much like this oil. So it is not bad though, but if you are using that Nykaa lavender oil, do mention how it is in the comment section below. Now moving ahead to the third item is this facial tonic mist, and this is from Lotus. This is Lotus Rose Tone Rose Petal Facial Skill Toner that is alcohol free. Now this retails for 295 rupees only, and it is a perfect tonic mist. The fragrance of this is awesome, and it is a bit more hydrating. Not bit, actually it is very much hydrating. This product that is my personal favorite is this aloe vera gel. I was researching all over all the websites that which one is the best aloe vera gel, and so good, it is so awesome. And it retails for around 649 rupees. When I go to sleep, I just take small amount of this aloe vera gel on my hands and I just rub it under my eyes. Although I don't have dark circles, but still I prefer using it all over my under eye area, on my nose, then on my knees, on my elbows. This is a must try aloe vera gel, and I would highly recommend to try this one. When it comes to face pack, I prefer using Himalaya product, Himalaya brand. The first face pack is this Himalaya Purifying Neem face pack, and it is 100-gram bottle. The quantity is good enough, and it retails for 135 rupees only. You have to apply it on your cheeks, on your entire face, and you have to wait until it gets dry up. And once it gets dry up, you just have to wash your face with lukewarm water. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals, because I don't prefer, when it comes to face product, I really don't like using products that are full of chemicals. I prefer going to the products that are organic, that are natural, that are Ayurvedic. Moving ahead to the next face pack that I have is again from Himalaya, and it is Himalaya Fairness Kesar face pack. This is how the bottle looks like, and it retails for 75 rupees only, and the quantity is 50 grams. It is good for cleaning, lightening and protecting. It is not that sort of face pack that gives a complete complete makeover sort of thing. It just clean your face. So it is not a fairness Kesar face pack, it is just a Kesar face pack. So give it a try, it is a nice face pack. Moving ahead to the next face pack that I have is I'm so sorry, with this face pack I also have this face wash. Again, it is from Himalaya. It is Natural Glow Kesar face wash, and it says that it gives instant glow to your face, but it doesn't give any sort of instant glow to your face. It just clean your face in a very good way, that you yourself feel like your face is looking very clean. It is very it is looking very fair and things like that. It is 150 ml, and it says that it reveals glowing skin. That is what I already mentioned. It again has this kesar and kesar and mint in it. It retails for 160 rupees, and the volume I have already told, it is 150 ml, and it is from Himalaya. So if you are purchasing this Himalaya face pack, you should also go for this face wash as well. It makes a good duo. Moving ahead to the last item that I have for you guys today is this Himalaya Herbal refreshing fruit pack, and it is for normal to dry skin. Dry skin, they should give it a try, and it deeply cleanses, firms and regenerates, and it retails for it retails for 75 rupees, and the net quantity is 50 grams. 50 grams, and it contains papaya and apple. They are good for dry skin, and it has both of these products. So this was all about the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel for many more upcoming videos. I will be glad if you guys share with me your reviews, your viewpoints, your things, because I really stay updated. I really read all of the comments that I got from you people. Stay indoors, stay safe, and don't forget to use any sort of hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is very essential, and if you are at home, then prefer washing your hands n number of times, n number of times. So that was all about. Take care and very nice meeting you all. See you next time. Tada.